Hi, I am Dr. Rajendra Maurya, an entrepreneur, author, motivational speaker, self development coach, and business coach. Today, I am going to tell you 7 things that prevent you from being successful. Here's number 1. Do you know that the sentence "I will do it later" is often equivalent to "I will never do it"? Though that is never the real intention behind procrastinating something. The person who doesn't want you to succeed in your life is not your ex, neither is your coworker, nor your destiny, but your own dear habit called procrastination. Procrastination is not only the thief of your time, but the thief of your health, wealth, destiny, life, and success. If you continue to live the life of procrastination, if you continue to live with procrastination, you will continue to push the gym and eating healthy to later. You will continue to push starting your business or going to school or writing that book to later, which will never seems to arrive. So stop procrastinating right now. Here is number 2. Fear of failure. If you are afraid to fail, then you are not ready to succeed. Failure is not an obstacle, but a stepping stone to success. The more you fail, the higher your chance of reaching success will be more. If you do not give up, failure is a teacher. It teaches you what didn't work. And if you allow it, it will motivate you to find other ways that will work for you. Unsuccessful people allow failure to cripple them. They give up in the face of failure and remain stagnant. If you want to succeed, you need to give up the fear of failure right now. Here is number 3. Ignorance. Today's world is continuously changing. The world is always changing. If you refuse to learn, you will be outdated soon. Knowledge is power. Please remember it. Learning doesn't end at school. Whatever field you are in, you need to learn and update yourself and information constantly. Successful people have a habit of learning. If you find yourself constantly failing at something, don't convince yourself success is on the way. No. Genuinely ask yourself whether your failures are not self-inflicted as a result of your ignorance. If you want to open a coffee shop but know nothing about coffee, no amount of determination and persistence will make you successful at it. Here is number 4. Lack of purpose. Everybody has a plan for you. Do you know it? Your TV cable operator has a plan for you. They know you will help them to increase their sales this year. Your internet service provider has a plan for you. They know you can't afford to live without it. Your landlord has a plan for you. Your grocer has a plan for you. Your boss has a plan for you. Mark Zuckerberg has a plan for you. He knows you will log on to Facebook and help him to build his company. Everyone has a plan for you except you. If you want to be successful, you need to have a plan for yourself. If you do not plan to succeed, you are automatically planning to fail. Every day when you wake up, you need to know exactly why you are waking up. You need to have a purpose and plan for your life. Successful people plan their life. They have budget, they have dreams and aspirations. In order to you succeed in life, you need to have a good plan and a sense of direction. Here is number 5. Lack of courage. Courage is not the absence of fear, but the ability to take action regardless of circumstances. To be successful, you need to have courage to bring your dream into reality in spite of obstacles. Courage is having confidence to take bold decisions regardless of storms. There will always be reasons why something cannot be done, but courageous people see things as doable and find ways to do it. They do not allow intimidation and fear to dictate their actions and decisions. They are result oriented. So you also need to be courageous. Here is number 6, fault finding. Do you know? Okay, it's okay to see the fault, but if you want to be successful, don't end here rather than complaining about what is wrong and something. Find out how it can be made right. Successful people are problem solvers, they are not fault finder. And instead of complaining about the rain, they invent an umbrella. So instead of finding faults, you find your own ways. Here is number 7, lack of self-belief. Let me tell you one thing about Wright brothers. When they decided to make the plane and informed their dad said, if God wanted us to fly, He would have given us wings. Engineers were told that building the Hoover Dam would be an impossible task. It is too high. There is too much water to control. They were told, you are crazy, you shouldn't even attempt to such a job. When the scientists decided to visit the moon, more than half of Americans thought they were crazy. Newspaper articles were written to tell them how impossible it would be to go to the moon. Other scientists also criticized them for believing such nonsense, explaining them to how it is impossible it would be. But Wright brothers carried on despite lack of confidence. Today, all those who criticized joyfully fly around the world. The Hoover Dam was witnessed by the naysayers. When men landed on the moon, it was broadcasted for all of us to see. Let me tell you, the point is to believe in yourself. It is enough. Don't allow to talk down on your dreams and tell you that they are impossible. Believing you can do it is all you need. What dream do you have today? Who is telling it can't be done? Go it and prove everyone else wrong. Go for it. So stop all these 7 things from your life, remove them from your life, and you will be successful. Thank you very much for watching this.